In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPods not working on calls. So if you have your AirPods on your iPhone like this, and you discover that whenever you have an incoming calls on your iPhone, your AirPod won't work, then this video is going to show you how you can easily fix this one after the other. So it's nothing to worry about. It's just a simple action button that you need to change or switch to fix your AirPods not working on calls when connected to your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do to fix this is you want to make sure your AirPods and your iPhone are both connected together like this. Just open the AirPod lids, and once you see this pop up on your iPhone, it's indicated that your AirPod and your iPhone are connected together. And if you're using iOS 18, the moment you remove the AirPod from the charging case, you're going to see the dynamic alarm pops that your AirPod is connected. Then you can just go ahead, put this in your ear. Now you can just put a cord through on your iPhone like this, or just scroll through and then put a cord through on your iPhone to whichever contact you want to call. And you can also use this keypad to search for the contact you want to call. Then put a cord through to the contact like this. Then first you should notice audio like this. You can see the audio is indicating that I'm using AirPods. But if AirPod is not working on call, you're going to see iPhone. That shows the calls is going to be coming out of my iPhone speaker. Now to simply fix this on your iPhone, when you're receiving a call with the AirPod and you discover that the AirPod is not working on active call, you just click on audio button. Then you're going to see three options. The first one is your AirPods, speaker, and iPhone. Then go ahead and click on AirPod name. So that's it. So that is basically how to fix AirPods not working on call. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.